You're still tuned to News Live. Communications Secretary Sonny Colomas says it is the call of Congress to pass the proposed Freedom of Information Bill. The bill has not been acted upon since the last Congress, with several legislators pushing for its certification by the President as a measure. This report.
Crusaders for the passage of the Freedom of Information Bill in Congress are pushing for its certification as a priority measure for the President in the 16th Congress. The bill did not pass in the House in the 15th Congress due to the failure of those for and against to agree on whether the right to reply provision will be included in the amended version. The same issue will again determine if this time a compromise will be reached. PCOO Secretary Sonny Colomas said it's the call of Congress to decide on the future of the bill.
Nakita niyo naman po na ang Pangulo natin ay hindi po ginagamit yung kanyang kapangyarihan in a way that will violate yung pong prinsipyo ng separation of powers between the executive and the Congress. Maging doon sa reproductive health bill, 2 beses po niyang tinawag ang mga membro ng Kongreso. Minsan, hindi po siya nagdidikta sa kanila kung ano ang dapat nilang gawin. Nakiusap lang po siya na tapusin na yung talakayan at magkaroon na ng botohan.
The Right to Know Right Now Coalition has championed the FOI bill. Under the proposal, people have the right to be given access to any information from any government agency from the national to the local level. Secretary Colomas said that even without the FOI under the Aquino administration, our people can access all kinds of information on how government works, from websites, from the office of the president all the way down to the local level. Colomas stressed this has promoted more transparency and accountability in government.
Kasama po doon sa seal of transparency yung paglalahad ng lahat ng kanilang disbursement of funds according to their approved budget. Nandun din po yung patakaran na kinakailangan sumunod sila sa Government Procurement Board, GPPB, at doon sa PhilGEP, sa Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, na kung saan ang bidding po ay dapat na maging open and transparent and competitive. Kaya nauna na po na pinapatupad ng ating gobyerno yung gustong makamit doon sa Freedom of Information Law.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.